I don't know either.
Your dad said this was supposed to be the shortest day of the year.
Yeah.
I believe it was.
Yeah.
See if we could stand right up under that arch and get
Yeah.
Mickey to take our picture.
Yeah.
Well, I think you're through. Looked like it might have been coming from Billy's.
There he goes. Woo!
Get it?
Yeah.
Right here, come stand right here. And
I can see good.
I figured you might, so you can see through the trees.
Yeah.
I figured there wasn't as many trees right here.
Yeah.
Did you get pictures of them?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, good.
I'm videotaping it. Oh, here it goes. Woo!
Get it?
Yeah.
Yay.
Did you see, Mama?
Yeah, I see it, honey. Well, they early for New Year's, aren't they?
Probably ain't for New Year's.
This for a happy time, huh?
Yeah. I think they're them boys.
Oh, I think the school's out this week. That's Curtis and what's the other kid's name?
Colum and Caleb.
Colin and Caleb.
I think I saw them riding around in one of those vehicles, that little small vehicles that Johnny has.
Yeah, it looks like a golf cart. It looks like a little truck.
Yeah, it had a flag on the back of it.
Oh, you seen it today?
Yeah, today, earlier, not too long before we left.
Yeah, that did sound like a little boy, didn't it?
Yeah, I think I heard. I think there was maybe more than one boy.
Yeah, I think school's out this whole week.
Yeah.
For spring break.
Yeah.
So I guess I'll have to go back, what, Tuesday?
I guess, Mama. You want to go back in?
Okay. I'm happy. Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome.